Morning everyone. It's Saturday morning here in the marina. It's foggy but
I thought that was a picture of Harris.
aquarium. It's really steep. You have to hold the brake the whole time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we went here before.
Look
We have avocado tree but no fruits. Someone still live there, huh?
there's a gem. Look at that.
Nice. Wow.
Wonder how you get from the garage up.
Looks like Baguio houses.
Look at those garages.
Yeah.
Harris Walton. Didn't we load the boat up over here? Is that Gabriel?
Mm-hmm. There. Okay. Doesn't say. Stephen M. White.
I don't know who that is.
Magellan's brother. No. Brother is reading them. Siopao from Pampanga. Keep closing. Microwave. The paper
Why is it so cold in the
40
fridge?
seconds. 40 seconds. The Siopao. Microwave it for 40 seconds. Wrap in a wet paper towel. Should be done. Okay. There. Whoa. It says it's really good, so we'll find out. Thanks, Weee.
Wow, very nice.
Good amount of meat, huh? Good. Mine is really hot.
Okay.
Oops.
How long is it going to take to put together?
I like it.
I know.
Must buy item from Weee.com. the lake. You didn't clean it? Oh, you didn't.
Most people don't do that.
Get out. Hey, get out.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Good.
So it's right when I can see the top of the fender.
Yes. We're gonna grab the boat, load it up in here. She's loaded up. Yeah. Oh, show it.
Oh,
Sensor.
what? Over there.
Open sesame.
Look at this.
Oh.
Yeah.
They're eating out there. Eating fellowship. They're all packed. Their stuff. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's so calm right now. It's not as foggy as a couple of days ago, but we are getting ready. We want to make it to church today.
We
We made it home and now we're off to church. Smile